Here are 5 mind-blowing facts about octopuses you won't believe. Fact 1. Scientists discovered octopuses can edit their own RNA, letting them rewrite their genetic code to adapt to their environment. Fact 2. Octopuses use coconut shells and rocks as tools, making them one of the only invertebrates to use tools in the wild. Fact 3. Some octopuses can walk on land for short distances, crawling between tide pools when the coast is clear. Fact 4. Octopuses have been caught on camera showing signs of dreaming, changing colors and patterns as they sleep. Fact 5. Octopuses can taste with their arms, using special receptors to sense chemicals in the water to find food. Like and subscribe to at The Salty Scoop for more.